Welcome to this presentation of Pooleportal.Symbaloo.com. I am Ms. Poole, the teacher librarian at Richardson Prep High Middle School. Welcome to Pooleportal.Symbaloo.com. This is the home page with buttons to link the students and you to some of the various sites that are used here at Richardson Prep High. When students set Pooleportal.Symbaloo.com as their home page, all the links they would normally use are easily accessible. Let's explore some of these buttons. Let's explore the regular use portals: Aries, BrainPop, Clever, Google, and RichardsonPrepHigh.com. The Aries button is where you can check your students' completion of assignments, grades, and attendance. BrainPop is a resource that supports educators and engages students. The content includes movies, quizzes, games, activity pages, and much more, covering hundreds of topics within math, science, social studies, English, technology, art and music, and health. Clever is the district's single sign-on link. This allows students to access apps and textbooks commonly used by their teachers by signing on using their SBCUSD email address and a password. The Google link is for all the commonly used Google products. The student clicks the waffle in the upper left-hand corner to open the Google links. The Richardson Prep High button links you to the Richardson Prep High homepage for all the latest information on Richardson Prep High. Let's explore the reading portals. These buttons explore the reading portals for e-books and audiobooks at the libraries, book quizzes, and book suggestions. They are Accelerated Reader, Myon, San Bernardino County Library, Sora, TeachingBooks.net, What Should I Read Next, and Who's Reading. Let's explore a few of these in depth. Does your child need to know if the book has an AR quiz? Click on AR Bookfinder, put in the name of the author or the book title for the information. The search results will show the book's AR quiz number, book level, and point value, as well as a brief summary of the book. Another feature is called AR Home Connect, which is part of Renaissance Accelerated Reader. It is a place to go to monitor your students' progress for the reading contracts. This is also where the parent and guardian can sign up to receive emails each time your student takes a quiz or has an assessment. There is the option of receiving these notifications in either English or Spanish. One of the most commonly used buttons is the AR Quiz button. This allows your student to take the quizzes on the books that they have read. Here is how it works. They log on to student, put in their username, click on Accelerated Reader, type in the title of the book or the book quiz number, click on Take a Quiz, click on Start Quiz, Start Quiz. They answer the questions, they click Submit, and it will tell them how well they did on the quiz. Let's explore some ebook audiobook portals: Myon, Need a Book, San Bernardino County Library, and Sora. Myon is connected through Renaissance Accelerated Reader. To access this product, the students must log on through AR, choose the purple Myon button, and open the Myon homepage. From there, they will have access to the Myon library, newspaper articles, and projects assigned by their teachers. In the upper left-hand corner of Pooleportal is a button called Need a Book. This button links the reader to a wide variety of other ebooks and audiobooks. Click the waffle in the upper left-hand corner of Need a Book to have access to more ebook, audiobook links. Ebooks and audiobooks are also available from the San Bernardino County Library. All the 6th graders have been sent a library card in their email with the barcode number and password to check out ebooks and audiobooks from this library. Logging on to SOAR through pooleportal.symbaloo.com or Clever. This app allows the students to check out ebooks or audiobooks that have been chosen for the Richardson Prep High Middle School students. There are approximately 4,500 ebooks and 250 audiobooks to choose from in SOAR for the RPH students. Let's look at the last 3 reading portals. TeachingBooks.net is a collection of resources that allows you to meet the authors and illustrators, explore book trailers, read about the book, and find the right book for you. What Should I Read Next is a link to various sites which can suggest books on likes or interests. Who's Reading is a reading and writing evaluation tool based on books read and is used in conjunction with Accelerated Reader. There are several language arts portals: English 101, ListenWise, No Red Ink, Quizlet, Vocabulary.com. The assignments for these are usually listed in the teacher's assignments in Google Classroom. The research portals, Britannica School, eLibrary, ProQuest, are provided to us courtesy of the state of California and are available to anyone who would like to use them. NightSight is provided by Calvin University and it is a place to record resources when citing for research papers. Also on Pooleportal, you will find subject portals. Ancient Civilization is a button that leads to another Symbaloo page with links to all the civilizations studied in 6th grade. Art of the Tiger is Mr. Kerwin's art page where he posts student artwork. Mr. Yamas's music page, RPH Music, is the middle school performing arts page. RPH Tiger Sports is the athletics page which features school sports information, ordering spiritware, and special sporting events. The Science link has a waffle which leads to Bill Nye videos, Science World magazine, and other sites. Tiger TV. Each Friday, the Tiger TV team presents news, sports, Fashion Fun Friday, skits, and other happenings at Richardson. The Virtual Tours button takes you on a virtual tour of museums, aquariums, libraries, national parks, zoos, theme parks, and so much more in 360-degree vision. Other portals to check out: Enchanted Learning is a site that contains links to a wide range of topics related to learning. Informational site, links to dictionaries, encyclopedias, atlas, Library of Congress, quotes, a ref desk with a wide range of information resources. IXL, Immersive Learning, this is new for RPH this year. It is for personalized learning, focusing on skills. Kahoot, teachers use this tool as a way to check for understanding, give instant feedback, review for quizzes. Khan Academy allows students to have practice exercises, watch instructional videos. It is a personalized learning link. RPH how-to videos, the Waffles link how to use Mayon, the county library, and SOAR videos. Are there any questions? Thank you so much for watching.